Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. So in this video, actually, I just want to share a lecture note of number theory course. The number theory course is basically a mathematics course which is generally taught in undergraduate and the graduate level, basically in B.Sc and M.Sc mathematics, and as well as in B.Ed or M.Ed in mathematics. So basically, this note covers a wide topic which are generally used or useful for the undergraduate level courses, and at the same time, this note will also be helpful for the master's level number theory contents. So hope this note will be quite helpful for your study. And you can easily download this note. I'll provide the link of this lecture note in the comment section. You can download from here, dear, and please do not forget to put your comments or put your feedbacks over there regarding this note. Thank you very much. Take the benefit of this note as much as you can. Thank you very much.